Welcome back to another video, guys, and it's all done. And today we're playing Minecraft. Okay, today we are going to be playing Minecraft, but what am I playing again? Wait, seriously, what am I playing again? Think Bed Wars. Can't remember. Murder Mystery. Oops. I think that's what that says. Okay. Showdown. Let's play this one. No, classic. That one looks good. Okay, so I'm Aiden. You should know me. This is like my 5th video. Please like and subscribe and punch take your head and boom right into that like button. So yeah, so here we go. I've never played this game before, so we're gonna have to find out. Whoa, parkour! Oh, I can actually get to here. Does this actually hurt? Oh, man. Okay. Okay, so somebody's the murderer, but we do not know who. How do people find these things? I only have one piece. Oh, I have to do parkour, maybe. He could be in any single house. Okay, so I have 2 pieces of gold. Now use the other one. I'll probably see the murderer. Oh, I see the murderer. No, I didn't. Just kidding. What's this? I don't want a horse. Fine, I'll buy a horse. Okay, I just bought a horse. Okay, so hopefully my horsey doesn't die. That's definitely some who has died. Okay. Is that actually somebody's name? No, it isn't. Good. Oh, I see the murderer. Okay, I have 3 gold again. Wow. Okay, so la. I have 1. Did I seriously win? I won. Look, it says reward. Yeah, I won! Yay! Shooty batooty, 1 second. Okay, here we go again. I'm playing the game again. La. Okay, so it's. Okay, wait. Oh, somebody's in there. Oh no! This is bad. Okay, I got 3. Oh crap! So there is a murderer this time that knows what they're doing. So we got 4 goldy nuggets. Now I have 5. Okay, we have to get the last sword so I can kill that dum-dum. Okay, so la. It's definitely him. Will he hurt me? Yep, he would. I knew that was him. Okay, I died. What? I hear one is probably gonna be this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're back. That's what I just did. I see him. I gotta jump out of a window. Oh crap! I'm already dead. Okay, here we go. Can you guys hear me all right? Okay. So, okay, here we go. Can I just take one of these? I could. Oh, no, I couldn't. Okay. Murderer has got a sword. And it wasn't me. Dang it. I just ran right past a nugget. Okay, so we need gold to get, like, weapons and stuff. Oh, he's freaking right there. Why wouldn't you kill me? Okay, that's a death. No! Let's play again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna play again. Get ready! Get ready to rumble! Okay. Okay, oh, I'm not the murderer. Give me the sword. The murderer had, okay, 5 seconds and lag. The murderer gets the sword. Did I get it? Nope. I wanna be the murderer for once, so I'll be right. Okay, so there's like this new thing that everyone there's teams, and I got 3 kills so far. This one's fun. Yep. Did I kill him? No. I think I did. No, it lagged out, so he did. Oh yeah. Wait, did I? No. How did I get 11 kills? Okay, I don't even care. I was probably one of them. Well, thank you for watching this, and peace out.